Good morning, first graders. Today we are starting our fourth week of distance learning. This week in math, we are working on telling time to the half hour. Last week we were working on telling time to the hour, and this week we're focusing on to the half hour. So number one says color the hour hand red. So we're gonna look at our clock, and I had already colored my hour hand red. It's right here, the shorter one. And it's pointing right in between the 11 and the 12. Now it says color the minute hand blue. My minute hand is right here. It's the longer one. It's pointing to the 6. So now we're gonna write the time on the digital clock down here. So first I'm gonna look at my hour hand, and it's pointing in between the 11 and the 12. So to know the hour, I'm going to fall back to the first one that it's pointing to right here, because it's not past the 12 yet. It can't be 12. So I'm going to go back to the next one. So it's 11. And then write a colon to separate the hours and the minutes. And my minute hand is pointing to the 6. So that tells me that it's 30 minutes past 11. I know it's 30 because each one of these numbers, when you're talking about minutes, represents 5. So the 12 would start at 0, and then 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, and 55 minutes. So last week when our hands were pointing up to the 12, that told us that it was 0 minutes past that hour. Now the minute hand is pointing to the 6, so it tells me that it's 30 minutes past the hour. So question number 2, where is the hour hand pointing? It's pointing right here in between the 11 and the 12. And it's kind of right in the middle because 30 minutes is half of an hour. So it's kind of right in half between the 11 and the 12. Number 3, where's the minute hand pointing? It's pointing to the 6. 6. Number 4, on a digital clock, where are the minutes written? So this is my digital clock that tells the time. The minutes are written right here after the colon. So I'm going to write after the colon. If there are 30 minutes in 1 hour, how many minutes are in a half hour? So there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So how many minutes are in a half hour? So what's half of 60? 30. 30 is half of 60. There's 30 minutes in 1 half hour. I also know that by looking at my clock and seeing what's half of the clock points to 6, and it represents 30 minutes. Thank you, first graders. Have a good day.